Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Last time I had this door panel off, I had all this stuff put together with liquid nail. Now apparently that liquid nail has failed, and now the panel's apart again. So this time I'm going to use contact glue. Star date 2020 338. We're going to use contact glue. Let me go ahead and glue these clips on here so they can be drying. I got this, liquid nail stuff on here. This might be bad for me getting these clips back on here. That one goes there. This one goes here. I think there's another one missing up there I need to find. I'm trying to reconnect these with this contact cement. I got the contact glue spread on the clips, some parts of the panel. I'm going to try to get glued back together, held up by that socket there. Let that stuff dry. Now that I'm ready to put the door panel on, I had that contact glue on there, and I pressed those in place. You can see how strong those are. Lift the whole door panel up by these things. That contact glue is strong. I put some on a few other spots on the door panel to get the door panel fixed in here. Hopefully those other parts will stay as well. Door panel is on nice and tight. I had to put that cap in there. Try to find that carpet, put some contact glue on that, and glue that back on. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.